Okay, so within inventory, we can see the items on the left-hand side. So items now have this new tab called locations. In the locations, we can now see the split. So it works exactly the same with warehouse. Tells you the accounting stock and the physical stock for each of the items that are given. So just hit the locations here. Now what this means is if we have item 3 and we know that it's in London SE2, when we have a sales order, we can create our sales order to our customer using our head office location. We can go to item 2 and it immediately defaults to the head office location. However, we can click on this and we can see where it is currently. So we know it's in London W1. So we now got stock on hand of 100. So we know that we want to sell 12 of these. We can enter the VAT. And we click save as draft and mark as confirmed. What happens now is that when we convert this to an invoice and send to our customer, here, it will suddenly update what's been invoiced. Now here, you can click on your recent transactions and it will show you what transactions for this particular item has been given. And you can see this now within the windows. Previously, you had to go to the item to be able to see this. But now being able to view this down here really helps because you can see the associated item details and individual transactions. Because this is now in London 1, this report now means that we can report on London 1 and we can see some of this movement.